Hi guys, today we are making chicken curry in the Indian style. We will take the 500 grams chicken and then we will add it in the oil. Please watch the full video. And we will get 2 onions normal size and 5 chili and 1 tomato. Just cut it into the small cubes. And 5 chili, you can 5 or 4, you can choose by your taste. Please, if you are new in my channel, just subscribe my channel. Keep stirring your chicken so it will not stick to the pan. Now we will add the curry powder in a small bowl, some cumin powder, and as well as we will take garam masala, half a spoon. We will take it all the spices will together. That's onion powder and some garlic powder. And we will add some red chili powders and cubes of Maggi masala. It will give the good texture to the food. And we will add some turmeric. Mix it together all. And we will add the onion and chili into the chicken. Keep mixing always because it will not stick to that pan. And we will take the tomato and cut it into the cubes only, not too much small, not too much big, so it will cook nicely. Now we will add the water in spices. It's 1 cup of the water. Mix it together all so it will keep the full of the taste. And we will add some garlic and some of ginger, the fresh ginger and garlics. Look at that, the chicken already soft almost. Now we will, in the end, we will add the tomato. Just remember, we are not using the lots of water into the chicken curry. Now we will cook for 5 minutes and add some salt according to your taste. And now we will add the spices water, that one, into the chicken. Now you see the color, it's different already. And we will cook for 5 minutes and then your chicken curry is almost done. Look at the taste, look at the texture. Wow, it's amazing. You can cook this at home, but this is like a restaurant style chicken. Wow, it's amazing. I love it.